Alright, everybody's getting ready. It's time to start day 5. We're right on the border with Yellowstone. Yeah, temperature is pretty crazy right now. It's, when we woke up it was like 37 degrees. Right now it's about 42. So it's a bit chilly, but it doesn't feel like it. It's sunny, there is no wind. A pretty cool little city. And this is the campsite we stayed in last year. Pretty cool spot. And really close to Yellowstone. And we got to Idaho. Not much going on over here so far. Today we're gonna do Idaho and Oregon. Yeah, and we're heading towards California. So we got a few more miles ahead of us. Cruise control, some music, now we can talk. Whoa, see some mountains on the horizon, but I'm not sure if we're gonna go there. Not much going on over here, but it looks nice. Nice roads. It's the middle of nowhere in Idaho. Not much going on over here. Still in Idaho, and it starts to get a little bit more interesting. Mountains all around us. So far we did 188 miles today, and overall we did 1,835 miles, so shy of 2,000. Not too bad. Damn, that's a cool spot. Campground right by the water. The road goes perfectly straight. it got pretty hot over here. I think it shows on the gauge like hundreds, yeah, about 100 degrees. Of course, there was a little bit of traffic, construction. So we started today in the morning at 37 degrees, and now we are at 100. It's pretty nice over here. Holy smokes, it looks like everything was burning over here. A lot of burned trees. Real nice terrain. I wasn't expecting that in Idaho. Let's go. Ah, that's a nice spot. That's a nice turn. I wish I would be on a boat right now. Smoking hot. Still 100 degrees. 480 miles per day. That's not too bad. But the roads were decent today. Real nice. Might be staying in Quality Inn or Best Western. It's supposed to be next to Walmart.